Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this new video. If you're seeing this video on any platform, today I want to talk about Google keyword match types. When you are planning out a Google search campaign, obviously when you are doing that, you need to do your keyword research and you need to understand what match types is available to you and how you can use them in your strategy when you are planning ads. So how can you do this? What are match types? How can you use match types? How can you incorporate match type with your bidding strategy, and how you can get the best out of them? So that is why I went on Google and I typed Google keyword match types. So it's saying about keyword match options. Keywords are words or phrases that are used to match ads with the terms that people are searching for. The keyword match types dictate how closely the keyword needs to match with users' search queries so that the ad can be considered for auction. For example, you could use broad match to serve your ad on a wide varieties of user searches, or you could use exact matches to earn in on specific users. So let's go to the types of match types that we have according to Google. This is Google official page. They said there are three major match types that we have, that you have options to use when you are running a Google search ad campaign. The first one is broad match. The second one is phrase match. The third one is exact match. You need to know the difference between these three. So Google is using, for the keyword lawn mowing services, we can match the following queries. So let's say you want to run ad and you want to use broad match. They said broad match are ads as may show on searches that relate to your keyword. Lawn iteration prices. Notation for imputing keyword. Just write it this way. You don't need to put any quotation. You don't need to put anything. So one thing about broad match is that if you are using broad match to run your ad, you will be wasting a lot of money, because Google you have a lot of impressions, you have a lot of reach, and you can generate a lot of clicks when you are using broad match to run ad. But unfortunately, most of those impressions, most of those reach will be irrelevant to your campaign, especially if you are a small business owner. Imagine you are a small business owner, you are trying to maximize your budget. You are trying to get return on investment for your ads. Google broad match types of ad is not the type of ad you will need to use to run your ads or your Google search ad. So because when you run ad and you use broad match keyword, you are giving Google free hand to expose your ad. So most of the impressions you are getting will be irrelevant impressions. So if you are a small business owner, I won't tell you, I will advise you not to go with broad match keywords, but I just explain what broad match is all about. Another one is phrase match keyword. Can you see what they are saying? Moderate matching. That is, as may show on search that include the meaning of your keyword. That is, like now, lawn mowing services. That is the keyword our main keyword. Can you say that this is for phrase match? Most of the searches people will be putting on Google that your ad will be coming up for will be a close variant to your keyword. Can you see? Lawn mowing service near me. Hire company to mow lawn. Landscaping service to cut grass. Can you see, in some extent, even phrase match keywords will serve your ads to irrelevant searches, but you can't compare it to broad match. So all in all, phrase match keywords, when you use phrase match for your keyword with the two quotation in your keyword, it is good. It is good. It is good, and it will give you fair results compared to using broad match. So let's go to exact match. Exact match are ads. Your ads may show on searches that has the same meaning as your keywords. So when you use the exact match, can you see lawnmower services, grass cutting services? And if you want to use exact match keyword, they say tight matching. That is, it is your exact match. One of the advantage of using exact match to run your ad is that your ad will show up for your exact keywords, for the exact keyword that you are running your Google search ads for. One of the disadvantage of exact match is that you won't have a lot of impressions. You won't have a lot of impressions. You won't have a lot of reach. But I want to tell you something, that the little impression you will get when you use exact match keywords are quality impressions. They are quality clicks because they are exact match keywords that you actually want to rank, or you actually want to show your ad up for. So the next question I'm going to answer in this video is what match types is advisable for me to use when I want to run my ad. When you want to run your ad, depending on if you are a small business, you are a medium scale business, depending on the budget you have, I will advise you to use, you should combine phrase match. This is your phrase match, and combine it with your exact match to run your ad. So if you notice that your impressions, if Google is giving you the estimate of impressions you are going to get and it is quite small, what I would advise you to do is to increase your budget or increase your bidding. So if you are a small business owner, start your ad with phrase match keywords or exact match keywords, or combine the two together. If the keywords you've imputed in your Google search ad is not giving you enough impression, look for more keywords, look for more relevant keywords and add to it, and make sure that they are phrase match and exact match. If you are a small business owner, don't go near broad match keywords because you are going to waste your money. So how can I get this quotation in my ad? So I have this keyword. I'm running a search ad for this type of keyword. So I use it to carve this keywords, this tighten, open bracket and close bracket, because in so many cases when you are running ad, you are running ad for 10 keywords, you are managing 50 campaigns, 20 campaigns, you will not be able to, you won't have time to start putting this quotation and you start putting open bracket and close bracket. So what do? I use a tool called keyword roaster, keyword toaster. This is the keyword. So once you come to your search, this is can you see wrapper, mixer, and generator. So you click on this keyword toaster. When you click on this keyword toaster, this is your keyword. This is input your keyword here and this. So I'll come to this place. So if you have as much keywords as possible that you want to use to run your ad, what you need to do is to input it here. So can you see broad match modify? If you want to leave it at broad match, just exclude all this and you copy your keyword. If you want to leave it as phrase match, you want to use phrase match to run your ad. Can you see? Imagine you having up to 50 keywords that you want to use to run ad. So you just use this tool to get the best, to make your work easy. If you want to use the exact match, just copy your exact match. It will help you put the open bracket and close brackets into your keyword. Then you copy it and put it into your Google search ad. So I believe I've been able to share some insights about broad match keywords. If you are running Google search ad for your business, how to use broad match keywords, how to use phrase match keywords, and how to use exact match keywords. Basically, my recommendation is, and what they are, my recommendation is, if you are a small business owner, use phrase match keywords and exact match keywords. Combine them together. If your search volumes are quite small, look for more keywords or play around your bidding. Increase your bidding. Don't go with broad match keywords. So I believe you've been able to gain values in this video. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that. Thank you. See you in the next video.